to teach. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a crossing with the curves that actually stop, and the crossing gates going down and stuff like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to instead of using this one, I'm going to go over here, and we're going to make a road, a track. I'm going to use the JRDK.gray weather. I'm going to make a track first. I'm doing this because some people may not know how to connect the track to the road, to the road to the track, to the track to the gates, and stuff like that, and using the traffic stopper. So I am going to pick out a road, road 1. Okay, come on. There we go. Road 1. All the way, and I'm going to make it kind of long because I'm going to open a little bit more cars where will come. And that looks great right there. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the traffic stopper. You need a traffic stopper. And I'm going to put the traffic stopper right there for now. I'm also going to get the track, go to the track side mode, and get the closer trigger, the close trigger. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, now I'm going to go back and get the, this is a TRC tutorial, so I'm going to use TRC. And I'm going to pick, was it this one? Yeah. That one right there. I'm going to put one right there and one right there, and I need to turn them. So I'm going to turn those right there. I'm going to turn that one right there. You can use the ones so they're all together, like this. Let's see, like that one right there. The 2-track, and everything. You know, these 2 gates will be connected to the trigger instead of using the one, but I prefer one because all my roads don't. All the roads and the signal, you know, I just like them separate. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to. Oh, where'd that go? Did I delete it? I bet you I did. Okay, let's undo. Alright. I'm going to move this. Before I move it, I'm going to make a spline cut. Go to the advanced, and then insert a spline and do it like right in the middle. And I don't like to do that, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make another spline point off to the side, and I'm going to cut it. I find these work a little better. Yeah, it's cut. Okay. And bring that back some more, and this can be done either way. Now there's a few ways to do this, but there is no real way to cut it and paste it directly into the road. Okay, I'm lining this up, and before I do this, I'm going to start renaming these. I have one already, one signal set already, so I'm going to name it 2 and 3. Okay. Traffic stoppers name 2 and 3. and I'm going to name these 2 and 5, and the bell option, bell will ring on, I just want the bell to ring on closing. Okay. You can have these, it will just play the number track. If you want to see that, I'll set that to 1. Okay, and press OK. Now this one here will be named 2 and 6. And again, the bell will ring and stop after the gates are closed. And I'm going to do this just so you guys could see this. One track, and okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the spline to the traffic stopper. And now, is that connected? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Now I'm going to move the traffic stopper to the middle of the track. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the controller or the trigger to the gates and everything. Oh, no. Add it with a question mark. Go there. And I'm going to name it 2 and 1. Okay, the naming is the group name and the item. I get, the item. 2 and 1. 2 and 1 is the controller. 2 and 3 is the traffic stopper. 2 and 5 and 6. 2 and 5 and 2 and 6 are the gates. I want it to stay open and both. This way it connects to both of them, going in both directions. And what I'm going to do, I'm not too sure about what these are, but the distance from the gate, I think. And I usually double this, so it'll give me plenty of time to go through. And I'm going to go OK. I'm going to go back to it, and now you'll see the traffic stopper, the TRC, the list of attached objects to the trigger, so they are attached. Okay. I'm actually looking at it from top down, so I'm going to move those signals a little bit closer. Okay. There you go. They are a little bit closer. And now we're going to test this. Let's go EMSF. This is the GEES44C4. And there's also a few types. And that one, I do have another one. I cannot find it right now. That is weathered and it looks really cool. So, but I don't really like that one because it doesn't have the name in it like I want it to. So let's add a few cards to it. Offer, with the flip box. Oh, let's add some more track. I don't know if it'll let me without Trainz so close to it, but yeah, okay. Okay, well, this calls for track straightening, which I'm not going to get into at this time. So I'll add this box code to it, and yeah, it's not letting me. Okay, well, we can just do with one box code. Alright, let's go and test our. Yeah, let's save the driver, overwrite. We can create a new session. Yeah, okay, don't worry about it. Just do it. It's just a short tutorial to help you guys connect the road, connect the gates with the TRC signal testing. This will be done in easy mode, so everything can be easy for you guys. Okay. Here's our crossing. As you can see, I got another train back there. That was another video I was doing that kind of got messed up, but you should see the signal should start to go down. Huh. Something's not working. Let's learn together. Don't save. Okay, let's make sure everything is named and everything is correct. I don't think that it might have something to do with it, but I'm not sure. Let's move that over into the middle again a little bit. Okay, you will not see the black thing in there. Okay, that's named 2 and 3. This is named 2 and 5. This is named 2 and 6. And let's see what the trigger. The trigger is fine. Everything looks okay, so alright, let's see. Let's do 50. And 200 both. Stay open, yes. Okay. Alright, let's try it again. Go into drive mode, let's save, and yes. Easy mode, okay. Before I change it, there we go. Okay. I'm not seeing any cars here. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, I was on the wrong train. So, I'm going to try this one. There we go. Right, the gates are shutting. And the train's coming across. Though we don't have any cars. As you can see. Backwards don't seem to be working too well. I don't know why. And the car just drove through me. He is dead. Okay, as you can see here, cars coming. You see, I don't know, they always seem to do that. I think it's just a tweaking thing. But we'll find out. Alright, you guys leave your comments, suggestions, whatever. And we'll see you next time. Until then, exit game. Game over.